equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To maintain your Dyson HS01, start by unplugging the device. Use a soft brush to clean the filter. This helps improve airflow and performance. Next, check for any loose screws. A simple screwdriver will do the trick. Tighten any screws you find to ensure everything is secure. Now, let's look inside. Carefully remove the casing to access the internal components. Use a microfiber cloth to wipe away any dust or debris. This keeps your dryer running smoothly. Remember, a clean dryer lasts longer. After cleaning, perform a visual inspection. Look for any signs of wear or damage. If you notice anything unusual, it's best to seek help. We offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. If you need repairs, we provide pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just convenience. Before any repair, we'll give you a quote. This way, you know what to expect. Regular maintenance keeps your Dyson HS01 in top shape. Follow these steps to ensure it works efficiently for years to come. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.